Weather Service in Buffalo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Erie County, Niagara County, southwestern Orleans County, northwestern Genesee County until 5:30 p.m. At 4:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Lockport, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lockport, Newfane, Pendleton, Pembroke, Akron, Middleport, Sanborn, Cambria Center, Pendleton Center, and Ransomville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.